Hello? Hello? Is this thing on? My name is Bertie. Hello, everybody. This is a channel. Oh my god, my food was so good. About my human parents and what I tell them to cook for me and all of the gourmet dishes that get concocted. Oh, look at the smells here. You can't smell them, but they're so good. They're my inspiration for the food that we make. And just wait till you see some of these delicious dishes. I mean, look at this delicious soup. It bubbles. It smells fantastic. It is beans. It is sausage. It is yummy. Now, I am running around the park with my papa. It is the only way I can get him to exercise. I get him out into the field, make sure his heart is good, and then I chase him. I chase him like the little wolf I am, for I am Chihuahua. Fierce little Chihuahua. Whee! Look, here I come, running at my papa. I am such a good boy. Such a good boy. I urge everyone, please follow this channel. If you like this, give this intro a thumbs up. Yes. Why don't you? And by all means, subscribe. We have some great videos to come. Thank you. Good evening.